Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6D, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to open Clock app and tap on Alarms at the bottom left corner. Then click on those three dots at the top right one. Click on Settings and adjust all of them under Alarms however you want to, like snooze. When you're ready, go back and add your alarm by tapping on this plus button. Now set up an hour. Then you can pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. In my case, Mondays and Fridays. When you finish, scroll down and tap on Label. Over here, you can label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and then save it by tapping on OK. You can also click on those three switches next to Alarm Report, Skip, and Vibrate to disable or enable those three options. Then you can tap on Set as a group and add one of your alarms to a group. Last but not least, click on Ringtone. Now you can select Add New and pick music from your smartphone by tapping on the song that you wish to add and going back. If you don't want to do that, you can always just pick one of those sounds, like Alarm Classic. Finally, save your alarm by tapping on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. Now to edit it, you need to click on it, make your changes, and tap on the check mark again. In order to delete it though, tap on those three dots again, but this time click on Delete option, tap on alarm that you wish to get rid of, and choose check mark at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!